Okay, this one we're going to attempt to answer the question, does Macau have legalized prostitution? And people have asked about it and they are curious about it, and I'm going to talk about that in this episode. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are in Macau. We're going to talk about legalized prostitution. Does it exist in Macau? The answer is yes, it does. I don't really see it in the traditional form of, you know, like streetwalkers or different things like that. Although I have seen that. I have seen it around some casinos in certain locations occasionally, but it seems like they always crack down on that. So I'm assuming that must be illegal. But the one that is legal are these ones called saunas. So as far as I know, usually they package it as like a little tourist package for people visiting from out of town, particularly from Hong Kong. I think you can even get it in Hong Kong ferry. You can get some kind of ticket that allows you to buy a package, and that way when you come over here you can stay in a sauna. And then sauna, it's all legalized. And so basically in a sauna, it's you can check online and try to find the prices. I think it varies for all kinds of different reasons, depending on what you want and all kinds of things. But basically, these saunas, you can go into them for up to, I believe it's 24 hours. I think maybe they each have a different situation. But basically, it's all legal. So basically, you can go into this place and you can, and there's one up here coming up. This little area, by the way, is kind of a, there's like Landmark Casino right here. And there's a few other ones all the way down, and Lisboa is all the way down. And the saunas are scattered all around the place, but there's a few that are right on this street. And we're gonna walk by one in a little bit. But basically, you can go into it for up to 24 hours. And I believe the rule is that you just can't leave. So that's basically the situation. You can't leave the premise. Once you do, then your time is there, so time is up. But as far as my understanding, and again, they're all different. There's one right there, Emperor Sauna. So, and that's Emperor Hotel. So that's one. And let's just see if there's other ones. We'll just kind of look down the streets. Actually, it's kind of cool lighting. Anyways, Landmark Casino. So, okay. Emperor. So just keep on walking down. Landmark Casino. So basically they, I believe that they also have like free internet and free food. So you can order food in there, and basically you can sleep there as well. So they'll usually package it towards tourists, usually from Hong Kong, but I imagine it must be from the mainland as well. So basically you can kind of get your whole package, I guess, right? Let me just see if this is another one right here. This is called Macau Casino's Diamond Holiday Inn. So, okay, I think there's, maybe the Emperor was the one. I think there's another one around here somewhere. Maybe it's up one more. But anyways, you're kind of getting a feel for everything in this little area. And, oh, there's one, Holiday Spa. And I think there might be one right across from it as well. We'll go take a look. What else do I want to say about that? Yeah, I think there's three right here. And they're kind of scattered around, so you can look online and you can find all kinds of information. There's whole websites dedicated to people comparing them. Let me just see here. There's Holiday Spa right there. I thought there was there's another one right in here. Maybe it was Emperor and Holiday are the two that are right here. I thought there was another one. I'm not sure. Anyways, Holiday Spa. It's funny, it's written in Korean, Japanese, Chinese, and English. Let's just see what else we got. Japanese food. Diamond Casino. These are casinos that people generally don't go to that much. I mean, they might, but let's see if there's another one. We'll just keep walking all the way down the street. Try to get a feel for it. These look like they're basically all closed. Usually these are all open, but it's COVID time, so things have more of a closed feeling. Traditional Chinese medicine. A lot of these things, I kind of think of them as stuff that mainland tourists come and get, like duty-free kind of stuff. liquor. I think this is all liquor right here, I think. Maybe different stuff. Chinese medicine stuff. Okay. And also like mainland tourists, they like to buy stuff like this Europe brand, some kind of generic thing that says Europe brand, Prada. But I don't know if Europeans would wear it or not. I'm not really sure, but I know that it would be a good selling point in China though, for sure. Let me see. Here's another one, Golden Sauna. So the Golden Sauna is another one. I thought there was a few in here. So let me just kind of get near it and then you can get an idea. I don't know if I can bring my camera in very well. But you can see the price, $410 for 45 minutes. Okay. Anyways, that's what that one is. You can also get massages there. I think basically what they do, I believe, check it online, but you can, but basically you go in and you pay to be in there for up to 24 hours, and then I think there's like a basic one that you can agree to different things, and then there's other ones, like once you're in there you can actually, I think they give you little menus, and then you can do all kinds of stuff like ear pickings or whatever, ear wax cleanings things, and massages and all kinds of different stuff. Open 24 hours. There's a phone number, you can look it up. 410 for 45 minutes. That sounds like a massage, I guess. $50, 50 American dollars. Anyways, so there you go. So this is in this little area right here. I guess we'll end it right there. But actually when you're way down there you can see all the lights, right? So we started way out down there by Emperor, and then we went to, this one was Golden, and then we saw Holiday. Okay. Like, we're not done with is prostitution legalized in Macau yet. There's another sauna right here, but they're kind of scattered about, and they're in you know, just normal locations. Well, those three that were over there is a little bit different, but they're kind of scattered all over the place. People that are wondering whose works there, it's usually, I think they usually talk about that online. I think they're from all over the world. So usually there'll be like Filipinos, Vietnamese, mainland Chinese, I believe, Koreans, I think Russians. I think that online they talk about that stuff and they kind of compare and they say all the details about it. So so I think I'll just end it right there. But yeah, that's Boss Sauna.
Toma cuidado la voz